slowly. No, don't just throw it like that. See if you can get up off the floor now.
Shut up!
He's not too bright, folks.
Come on. How can you get the first leg and not the second, man?
Stand up and try it.
Stand up. See, your hands are right there.
Now put the other one through.
Lift it up. Lift it up.
I'm not so good about on one leg.
It's on Facebook.
You're taking video? Oh, it's going on YouTube? Mitchell the escape artist. Oh my gosh. Just break the handcuffs with your big belly.
Shut up.
How can he not?
This would be so funny.
How can he get one leg out but not the other? I don't get it. He should be able. I mean, they're the same leg. You're a goofy kid, man.
I'm so glad this isn't going on American Home Funny videos.
Maybe it
should.
Just get your other leg out, buddy.
Mitchell, you're a good sport, Pop.
Come on, man, you can do it. You're so close.
Mitch, you gotta put your arms out further.
Push your arms out
Push
as
your
far as they
arms
can
out.
go. Come on, push them out.
Lift your heel up. Get the chain underneath.
Can't you get your
Mitch,
toe?
can you grab the chain with your thumbs? Yeah, now do it. Now try to hold them with one of your thumbs and then try to push your. See?
You should put this on Facebook.
No!
This is suspense.
Oh, it's going on YouTube.
Mitchell, you want me to help you? Okay. Let's see. I can bet.
Careful now.
Almost.
Oh, see, how come you couldn't do that?
Okay.
Now try to slide one of your hands out. Go like this. Try to make your hands small. Like try to bend it down. Go like that. See which one's looser.
Okay.
Pull your sleeves out.
I'm tired of this.
Hey, try to make him cry. It'll be funny on YouTube. I'll push you down.
Oh. No, you can't push me down.
Come here.
Try to trip me. Oh, shoot.
Oh no, I don't have hands. Oh, is this what you needed?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
Take to the red. Oh, thank you.
They're spinning all over you.
Are you joking me?
Oh, these aren't the keys.
Are you serious?
I thought these were the keys.
Oh no.
It's spun all the way.
Jake, are you serious?
It's spinning fully around. It's doing nothing. I have wire cutters we can cut these with, but he's still gonna have metal bracelets.
Oh, no.
Chris, the handcuffs are stuck on your son.
I was totally kidding with you. I was totally joking with him, but he's freaked out anyway.
Oh, give me those.